Hi everyone, Hannah here. So let's go ahead and finish up our December mixed media project. So I am basically covering up everything with the gesso, trying to make the background and the embellishments as white as I can. We'll have a little bit of color, peep through. But I'm wanting to add gesso to pretty much everything so that when we add our paint, it's really going to pop. So here's where the fun starts coming in for me. I love to paint. So I'm adding the deep waters color. And each time that I add the paint, I also spray it with some water. It gives a really nice watercolor effect. I love these Finnabair acrylic paints because they have a twofold purpose, acrylic and watercolor, which is really cool. And it's a very high pigment, high quality paint, and I just love to use it in my projects. So after letting the deep waters paint dry, now I'm coming back with the Ice Queen color, which is a really pretty blue. And it brings out the blue that's in our deer picture, our little deer cutout that we did. And so I really like the effect that it has. So I'm just kind of going around adding that into some of the little crevices of our project. And then I'll also spritz it with some water again to do the watercolor effect. So I also want to add the Ice Queen color to our foam resin piece. I was going to leave it white, but it's a thing with me. If I have a resin piece with such nice detail, I want to bring it out. And so that's the reason why I wanted to go ahead and color it, to let that paint kind of form in the grooves of the design of the resin piece. And I really like how it turned out. Sometimes I'll leave mine white, and then sometimes I like to paint them. So now I'm going ahead and adding our graphite wax paste to the resin piece, and I'm just kind of adding it all over. I'll add it to the resin piece. I'll also add it a little bit to the flowers, to some of our I guess potpourri embellishments, I guess you could say, just to try to bring out some more of that gray color. I really like it. So now I'm adding our ice effect paste. I have been so excited about using this. As you know, last month in our project, we added the Frosty Pearl, what's it called? Icing paste, Frosty Pearl icing paste. And we did that to kind of mimic snow, and that turned out really cool. So in this one, I kind of wanted to make like ice, kind of an icy, just to add to the layout. It's a cold winter night, snow and ice. And I really like the effect that it did, because it's kind of glittery and makes it look like little bits of ice. So it's really cool when it dries. So I hope that y'all are enjoying using it on your layout too. And if you have any questions at all during while working on your project, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.